Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Ag1 at home. Start by listing core nutrient groups: greens, probiotics, vitamins, minerals, adaptogens, and digestive enzymes. Gather quality ingredients from reputable suppliers and check labels for potency and purity. Measure each component precisely using scales and spoons, then blend and store in airtight containers away from heat and light. Taste and adjust flavors gently with citrus or stevia to suit preference. Start by assembling the building blocks: greens, probiotics, vitamins, minerals, and digestive supports. Select spirulina, chlorella, and organic wheatgrass for nutrient density and chlorophyll. Add a reliable probiotic powder and a balanced multivitamin powder that matches desired dosing. Include magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D where needed. Use adaptogens like ashwagandha sparingly and digestive enzymes to aid absorption. Measure accurately and blend thoroughly to ensure even distribution. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY nutrition guides. Quick recommendation: I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for simple financial clarity that pairs well with saving on supplements. It's a practical read that helps you think differently about spending and investing those savings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Mix in small batches to keep ingredients stable and fresh. Use a high-quality electric blender or a dedicated shaker bottle to achieve an even powder distribution and avoid clumping. Portion into airtight containers or single serving scoops to make daily use simple and prevent moisture exposure. Label each container with contents and date made. Rotate stock and discard after recommended shelf life to maintain potency and safety for daily consumption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.